Might as well do both sides. Oh, that's a lovely look. Hi everyone, Whaaaaat Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Whaaaaat stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the September test tube by Newbeauty, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. For anyone who was curious about test tube, this is a beauty subscription that comes every other month. It costs $29.95, or if you pay for 1 year up front, which is $147.50 maybe, that makes each tube box come out to $24.95 every other month, and you receive 8 products. All right, so when you open the box, there is a tube that looks like this. She's pretty. And any products that don't fit inside the tube, they put inside the box. So let me take those out. We also receive a pamphlet which has prices and product descriptions. All right, I'm going to pull out the products, and then I like being surprised, so I'm going to try not to look at what they are. All right, let's dig in and look at the first item. Ooh, what is this? This is from AfterSpa, and it's an exfoliating wash cloth. I have a picture of a lady using it kind of like a loofah. It looks to be very long, and you can kind of do this to get your back. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, the AfterSpa Bath and Shower Exfoliating Wash Cloth retails for $7. And it says you can moisten the fabric and apply a body scrub or wash. Gently massage your skin in circular motions, and from side to side, you will feel a clean, exfoliating sensation. Rinse and towel dry. All right, that is a little different type of a product. Sometimes we get little sponges, but I've never seen a long towel like that. All right, next item. So this here, it looks to be a mask. Masqueology Pucker Up. Lip Plumping Kit. All right, I'm going to have to read about this one. The Masqueology Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit retails for $4. How to use. First, gently exfoliate lips, then apply the mask and let it work its magic for at least 15 minutes. Finally, apply the pumping gloss for a full and renewed effect. I'm not sure. Comment down below if you use a lip scrub. Would you be interested in using a product like this? I've never heard of a lip mask before. Very interesting. All right, next item. Ooh, this is heavy. This is Good Science Beauty Skin Firming Cream. See what the card has to say, and then I will take it for a test drive. Good Science Beauty. This retails for $48. What is this? This biotech native brand leverages the natural properties of elemental silicone. Its proprietary good silicone technology delivers scientifically proven ingredients in a bioavailable state, and time releases them to perform their intended function. What? Still not quite sure what this is about. Let's see, the editor feedback says this mix of products just feels healthy. It's the perfect skincare to reach for when you're Complexion needs a reset. Okay, so is it more of a lotion or a serum? Oh, I tend to do that. Pull. Alright, so it has a pump. The color is a soft beigey color. And it does feel like a silicone. It looks like a lotion, but it feels like almost like a primer more than anything. It's very silky. It has no scent. No scent. And it goes into the skin easily. Alright, I love skincare, so I'm still unclear if this is more a serum or a lotion as to when to apply it in the skincare routine. But I think it would be after serum, before lotion, because it's kind of a mix. Alright, next item. Whoa, this is huge. This is Aquage. Ooh, a dry shampoo. I'm excited. There's not a lot of hair products I use, but I will use a dry shampoo. This is heavy. This is 8 ounces, 227 grams. Let's see if it has a decent scent. It's very light and subtle and feels very, or smells very, what's the word I'm looking for? Natural. All right, I'm excited to get this. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, the Aquage Dry Shampoo Style Extending Spray. Oh, is it more than... or is that just a fancy way of calling it a dry shampoo? It retails for $24 and is sold at Ulta. It says this hybrid product combines the cleansing, oil-absorbing powers of a dry shampoo with the volumizing benefits of a texturizing spray. Okay, now I'm super excited because my hair is super fine. And as I'm suffering from COVID, no haircuts, my short haircut's growing out. I'm going to try this in my hair. I love a texturizing spray. Ooh, it gave some volume. Might as well do both sides. Oh, that's a lovely look. That's nice. Okay, we're not going to have bang issues today. If you saw my video, I was having some serious hair issues that I had no clue about until I was in editing. All right. That's nice. Give a little volume. Okay, next item. Oh, now we're on to the test tube itself. And this feels heavy. All right, so this is jam-packed as well. Let's take out the big one. What is this? Some kind of a tool. AnteAGE Stem, GF, and Cycloconine. I'm going to read the booklet so I don't butcher the name. Oh, whatever it is. Wait, I thought that was going to be a battery. What is that? Okay, let me look at the pamphlet because, oh, there's 2 of whatever these are. Unless these are some funky looking batteries. Hold on. Okay, AnteAGE Home Microneedling Intro Kit. $120? Wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna admit, I've heard the term microneedling, but I don't know what that is. I'm gonna read this pamphlet to figure out what's going on. Thank God they have a section called What It Is. Powered with stem cell growth factors, this kit is your one-stop shop to healthy skin. It includes one derma roller and 2 vials of home microneedling solution to last 10 treatments. Oh. Okay, whatever these 2 things are, apparently you get 10 treatments, so probably 5 treatments per vial. And these are home microneedling solution? What? I'm reading more on this. How to use. Apply the solution to the skin before gently rolling the device back and forth on the treatment area 4 times in each direction, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. What is microneedling? Is that kind of like slice up your skin and allow a product to seep in? That sounds scary. All right, let's take a look. I can, whoa, 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 whoa. I can, touching this, it feels a little sticky, but I can feel little teeny prickly bits. Oh, that might hurt my face. All right, I'm definitely gonna search some videos and check out people microneedling or home microneedling. Comment down below if you've ever done that. Is it safe? Do you recommend? What will my face look red and horrible for several days after doing it? All right, I don't know how I feel about this. It's new, different. Don't know if it's exciting. This may be the coolest thing ever or the scariest thing ever. All right. It is expensive though. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? This is heavy as well. Some kind of a oil. I'm going to read the card. All right, so this is by L'Occitane en Provence. It's a cleansing oil-to-milk. Ideal for a healthy-looking glow, this oil-to-milk cleanser removes all traces of waterproof makeup and impurities for irresistibly soft and supple skin. Oh, I really hope it does waterproof because I wear waterproof mascara. And a lot of those cleansers that claim to get rid of waterproof, they don't. They do a good job getting the rest of my makeup off. It's just I have to go in with a separate cleanser just to get my mascara off. So that is an interesting and good product to try. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? Bigelow Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer. Oh, well, we all could use this in our lives. Let's see what the card has to say. C.O. Bigelow Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer retails for $6. This fragrance-free hand sanitizer is made with 70% ethyl alcohol, making it the perfect antibacterial must-have for stay-at-home seasons. All right, is this... It's not safety sealed. I'm going to... No, it is safety sealed. I already have several going on, but this will be great to toss in my bag, leave in the car, because you never know when you're going to need more sanitizer. All right, last item. Ooh, it looks like makeup. This box, by the way, you tend to get more either tools or skincare than you do makeup. So I'm happy to see this. What is it? I'm going to assume it's a lip crayon. Let me swatch it. That's pretty. And I'll see what the card has to say. The Glow Skin Beauty Suede Matte Lip Crayon retails for $22. It says this crayon delivers full coverage and gives users the ability to easily customize both their lip shape and color. I think I'm going to put this on my face. That is a nice shade right up my alley. All right, that was a pretty good box. Let's do a recap. All right, we got a lip crayon. We got a hand sanitizer. We got an oil-to-milk face wash that will get waterproof mascara, or waterproof makeup. They don't claim mascara. Waterproof makeup. We got an interesting face serum slash face moisturizer. We got at-home micro needling device and 10 treatments. We got a combination dry shampoo slash texturizer. A very interesting lip mask. And a exfoliating wash cloth. What are your thoughts? Was this a good test tube? I'm going to list everything on the screen and see the grand total of all the items we received. Let me know which item was your favorite. Are you brave enough to try the at-home microneedling? I don't know. I'm going to have to watch some videos because it feels like it's sharp, but maybe it's good. We'll have to see what the end results are like. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And leave me a comment. Let me know which was your favorite item. All right. Thanks, everyone.